Welcome to another video from RXB TUBE channel. If this is your first time visiting our channel, please subscribe, like and comment. Let's go. Welcome to the 5-minute science video series with RXB TUBE. Geckos don't have eyelids, so they can't blink. Instead, these reptiles lick their own corneas to keep their eyes clean and moist. Never be afraid of turbulence anymore. Airplane A350 wing flex test. During the test, the wings were flexed upward approximately 17 feet 5.2 meters. Albino alligator. Albino alligators lack the pigment melanin. They are the offspring of two normal-looking alligators that carry the recessive gene for albinism. Albino alligators have ivory-white skin and pinkish eyes. Another type of white alligator is the leucistic alligator, which makes some melanin in certain parts of its body. In the wild, albino alligators would not live long because they could not blend in with their surroundings. The young albinos would quickly be eaten by predators. These alligators are extremely rare in the wild, and most of them are found in zoos, alligator farms, and nature preserves. Biologists estimate that there are only about 100 albino alligators in the world. Water refraction. This is a demonstration of light refraction in water. His head is seen where it really is, but the part covered with water looks shifted because of the change in angle of the light going out of the water. This swimming pool has glass walls and is full with water to the top. Science, it's like magic, but real. Anodizing a titanium piercing. Titanium anodize is an electrochemical process that varies the mass of the oxide layer that naturally occurs on the titanium base metal. By varying this mass using different voltages, a wide range of unique colors can be produced without the use of dyes or harsh brighteners, leaving the chemistry and structure of the substrate unchanged. The colors in this spectrum can be seen when light waves bounce off of the stabilized oxide layer, and the result is a color that will not fade, discolor or change as may occur with organic dyes and pigments. At first glance, this apple may seem like a fake, but it's not what you think. This apple is known in English as the black diamond apple. The unique apples owe their color to their native geography in Nyanki, a small city in the mountains of Tibet, where they receive a lot of ultraviolet light during the day, but the temperature fluctuates dramatically at night, causing the skin to develop a deep, dark color. The flesh inside is white and bright like any other apple. There is no special difference in the taste of apples compared to other apples. Ferrofluid being added to a glass dish with a magnet underneath. Ferrofluid is a liquid with nanoparticles of a magnetic iron compound suspended in it. The particles are small enough and stabilized, which allows them to react to a magnetic field without separating. This pointed structure is formed due to the balance between the forces of the focused magnetic fields of the neodymium magnet under the plate and the forces of surface tension in the colloidal ferromagnetic liquid. These and other ferrofluid simulations are capable of showing the spontaneous organization of the phyllotaxis spiral, displaying the Fibonacci numbers found in the plant kingdom. A gibbon marks its territory by vocalizing, singing, when traveling within the borders of where they live. The adult male and female sing a duet, and their offspring will join in. The adult male and female harmonize, but sing a different song. When males are immature, they generally sing the song of females. The siamang sings a song that can be heard up to 2 miles through the dense forest canopy. The siamang is the loudest land mammal on Earth. The siamang has a unique vocal sac that inflates as they sing and produces remarkably loud and deep sounds. Some biologists refer to octopuses as having 6 arms and 2 legs because the 2 rear appendages are generally used to walk on the seafloor. Domino chain reaction simulation. A domino can knock over another domino, about 1.5 larger than itself. A chain of dominoes of increasing size makes a kind of mechanical chain reaction that starts with a tiny push and knocks down an impressively large domino. The striking similarity between the profiles of a peregrine falcon and B-2 stealth bomber. We make a science video every week, and I will be waiting for you next week. If you enjoy it, like it and subscribe RXB TUBE channel to see more videos. Here are suggested 2 videos you can watch if you wish. By the way, follow us on Instagram, rxb.tube. Good luck.